Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Cathie Wood of ARK Investment Management buying up stock of a SPAC that has yet to merge in the genomic space, which is one of the most lucrative investment spaces in the world, according to Cathie Wood. We will also discuss if this special purpose acquisition company is good enough for you and me to buy shares of it, and then lastly, we will go into what Cathie Wood has been buying up lately to put into her ARK ETFs. Go and press the like button right now on this video if you like Cathie Wood or if you are invested into any of ARK Invest's ETFs. Comment your thoughts down below regarding if you think this SPAC is a good investment opportunity or not. Turn on all subscription notifications to stay informed, and now let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but right now you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account, and you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest now has an 11% stake in a blank check company that is backed by an ex-Hollywood executive named Harry Sloan. Recently, ARK Investment added a whopping 1.2 million more shares of Soaring Eagle Acquisition Corporation to their financial assets, and according to Bloomberg, Cathie Wood's ARK owns a massive total of around 18.5 million shares across her ARK Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKK, and Cathie's ARK Genomic Revolution ETF, ticker symbol ARKG. This special purpose acquisition company, also known as a SPAC or SPAC, agreed to a $17.5 billion merger with Ginkgo Bioworks Inc, which will trade under ticker symbol DNA. And this merger is anticipated to take place sometime this quarter when it's officially listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This SPAC will join a list of 30 other elite companies in which Cathie Wood owns 10% or more of, so this is a big deal. ARK Invest has even gone so far as to change the wording on their ETF paperwork, which used to limit just how much exposure each ARK fund could allocate to a single company. So now it is no surprise that Cathie Wood is betting large on this SPAC. Cathie Wood's ARK funds are betting so big, in fact, that they are considered as an insider of this company, so the firm will be subject to short swing profit regulations. Now let's focus on the actual company that is going public, which is Gingko Bioworks, which is a Boston-based biotechnology company that develops platforms which enable its customers to program biological cells just like how people program computers. This will be revolutionary technology in many disciplines such as pharmaceuticals and agriculture. The company already has more than 70 customer programs running as we speak. The current enterprise value for the company is $15.2 billion, which is very low, because according to McKinsey Group, the addressable market for bioengineered products sits between $2 trillion and $4 trillion. So the growth that this company could achieve is hard to imagine. The projections for GAAP revenues for 2025 are $1.1 billion, so this company already makes the stock look cheap because ticker symbol SRNG is currently trading below $10. Now, this would put the stock at around 17 times projected revenues. However, the average for companies like this is normally around 18.7 times forward revenues. So this stock is still considered a good deal when compared to its peers. The SPAC itself has a very experienced team behind it that has already completed many successful deals, including one of the most anticipated SPAC deals, which was for DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. The company delivered amazing returns for investors, and basically everyone made lots of money off of that deal. Not to mention, they also helped out with the gaming company Skillz going public, and their ticker symbol is SKLZ, and they had an aggregate purchase price of $3.5 billion. With the company's great experience, along with the soon-to-be public company Gingko Bioworks having a very good ticker symbol, which is easy to remember, paired with the fact that they have great forecasted revenues, this SPAC and company look to be an amazing investment opportunity that Cathie Wood jumped on. If you go to invest into this company, you may come across multiple ticker symbols like SRNG, SRNGW, and SRNGU. And for most people, they will pick to invest into SRNG like myself, which will automatically be transformed into ticker symbol DNA when the merger is completed. The other tickers require you to know a little bit about warrants, and we're not going to dissect or discuss warrants in this video. But now let's take a look at what else Cathie Wood of ARK Invest has been buying up lately besides genomic stocks. It's no surprise that Cathie is investing into 3 other extremely lucrative markets, such as 3D printing with 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD, a cryptocurrency exchange such as Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, and lastly, a telehealth company, which is Teledoc, ticker symbol TDOC. ARK has been buying up 3D Systems for multiple trading days in a row, and this is most likely due to the company's amazing earnings report, where their revenues grew by 44% in the second quarter, which absolutely crushed the expectations of analysts who projected only a 27% increase. Also, 3D Systems announced great news recently about how they plan to further infiltrate the healthcare industry, which is where the demand for 3D printing machines has skyrocketed as of late. Coinbase is another company that Cathie Wood continues to buy, and it's no surprise because their revenues went to the moon. They had an 853% increase of their revenues in the first quarter, which was then followed by a 1097% increase year over year during its most recent quarterly earnings report. However, I personally think that the revenues will simmer down, but will remain hot as the cryptocurrency market continues to heat up. Coinbase is actually Cathie Wood's 3rd largest holding across all of her ARK ETFs, which is a huge deal. So if you like Cathie Wood, then be sure to pick up some coin stock for yourself. On screen, we see Cathie Wood's top 9 holdings, and me personally, I would pick Tesla, Square, and Unity as my top 3 holdings out of these 9 companies. I just wanted to throw my opinion in there to see what you all think. Comment your thoughts down below. But right now, we're about to talk about Cathie Wood's number 2 pick, which is Teledoc. Teledoc is projected to be one of the most successful telehealth companies to date, and with the growing number of people turning to technology to meet virtually with physicians, it is no surprise that Cathie Wood is loading the boat with Teledoc stock, and currently the stock trades for around $140, which to me is a huge discount because I think this stock is easily worth over $200. Because you made it to the end of this video, let me give you a little tip. If you invest into the top 15 companies that ARK Invest owns, you have then created your own hyper-performing ETF that has no expense ratio. But that's up to you. Go and like this video right now for more content like this. Comment your thoughts down below. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next YT video.